police received a report of a reckless driver in Martin County, Florida, on July 11, 2023. The driver, identified as Dina, was out on a $200,000 bond due to pending fraud and theft charges. You already know this one is going to be a doozy.
Driver's license and registration. You don't have one? Registration? Nothing? Driver's license, registration? Do you have any form of identification? Nothing? You speak? Go ahead and speak to me, okay? Do you have any type of identification on you? Do you have a purse? Do you have a registration? Anything over there that's yours? No? Nothing. Alright, what is your first name? What's your first name? What? Dana, is this car registered to you? Is this your car?
Yes.
What are you under the influence of? Alcohol or drugs? Something. You could have killed somebody a moment ago. Okay? It was horrible. You hadn't turned the car off for me. I kind of don't trust you at this point, okay? Crying's not going to help. I still want to know who you are. Keep an eye on it real quick. Let me figure something out. She would have killed somebody.
I could see the front of her, but she stopped.
She almost down something. I couldn't stop her on the bridge because.
Oh yeah.
Stopped there at Joan Jefferson. Then she pulled over and then she jumped the curb and drove all the way up to this.
That's it.
I couldn't stop her on the bridge. She would have killed somebody up there.
Never.
What's that?
I have literally never been fucking
This drunk?
fuck off, dude.
Okay. Well, I'll make sure you don't kill anybody. That's why we're stopped here today, okay?
Well, great.
Alright, cool.
I have never fucking been.
Arrested for DUI?
No.
Yes, you have.
You're under the influence.
I am? Not today, but...
I'm a piece of shit.
I didn't say that. Again, I'm just here to make sure you're not under the influence and you can drive. That's it.
No. You want to make sure that I'm a piece of shit.
I think Captain Morris is coming, and but he was motor one, right? Motor two, whatever it was.
Alright, we're just making sure you're okay to drive.
Look,
That's it.
look.
I got somebody to check you out, okay?
Here, look.
I'll be here in a second.
Here, look. Let me tell the truth.
Okay.
All right, now pay close attention. She's about to start speaking Karenese. Tell me if you can understand her and translate for us.
What?
I'm a piece of shit.
What? Nah, don't worry about that. Why do you think that?
Anybody
Okay, I get it. I get it. It's hot out here. Give me 1 second, okay?
My kids.
I don't know what she's saying. 9,000 things with PC.
9,000 things with PC? Okay, it's all over the place? Okay.
Go talk to her, be evident. Trust me.
Alcohol or drugs?
Can't even tell you. It's so hot out. I mean, I had to reach in the car, turn off the car. But I'm assuming alcohol if you talk to her.
Where are you going? Can you sit still? Alright, talk to me for a minute. Do you have any medical issues at all?
Yeah.
Diabetic, epileptic? You have seizures?
I have a ton.
You have a ton? What kind of medical issues
You know
do you
what?
have?
I'm not doing this. You're not gonna sit here and fucking. I'm not doing this.
You're not doing what?
You're
not gonna have a conversation with me?
No, I'm not gonna sit here and let you fucking.
Okay, just based on my initial observations and you're not being willing to talk to me.
No, based on your fucking observations,
right?
I'm a fucking whore and you don't care.
Well, that's not what I said.
That's exactly.
And that's not what I'm here for. I'm here to find out if you're too intoxicated to drive a motor vehicle.
No, I never fucking asked to fucking do that.
To do what?
To
I
fucking.
don't understand.
To fucking alter my fucking. I can't.
All right, can you tell me what kind of medical issues you have? Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to take your shoes off?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
I'm going to ask you to do some standardized field sobriety tests.
Nope.
Are you going to do that for me?
Nope.
No? Okay.
Nope.
What's going on in your hair there?
Okay, do you think he's going to A, give her a hairband, B, give her a pat on the back, or C, slap her in cuffs?
No hairband. You have no hairband.
Here, let me have your wrist here. Go ahead and pull them together for me. And put your palms together. And hang just like that for me for a minute, okay? I'm placing you under arrest for DUI. You're not complying with anything that I'm asking you to do. Can you tell me if you have any medical conditions that I need to get checked out before we take a ride? Are you diabetic or anything? You don't want to talk to me? That's okay. Is there anything inside the vehicle that you need to bring with us?
We look for a while. There's nothing else in there.
Okay. Any medication, anything like that in there? Can you have Becky 51 just to pat her down?
Where's Becky at? We gotta get a female closer.
She was right. She was right down the street. She wasn't far.
If she follow
All
her.
right. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go to my car because it's hot. I'm gonna put you in the AC and then we'll get you checked out and on the way here shortly. Okay? Oop. You got it. All right. Turn and face me. Turn and face me. Here. Turn. Now, step this way toward the door. Okay. And then just sit straight back. Okay? Let me get you some AC, okay?
That's slow, FD4, whatever that whole thing. Ask you to provide breath safety.
Oh, why don't you fucking help me fucking not fucking. I don't give a shit.
You willing to provide breath safety?
I don't give a fuck. My fucking son is a fucking Marine, and I didn't handle. I didn't handle it well. I didn't handle it. I didn't handle it well. And you fucking you don't give a shit. You left my fucking arms. You might even fucking stop to help me. Fucking help me.
What's wrong with your arms?
Yeah, it hurts. I haven't done anything. I never broke.
504 with one female.
I never broke a law. I never hurt anybody.
Today, and you ran into a bunch of stuff.
I never hurt anybody.
It's a good thing we stopped you before you did. You were close to hurting several people.
No. Fuck off.
If you enjoyed today's body cam, be sure to leave a like and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe as we will post more body cam footage every week.